I'm Francis from Ghana, West Africa. I'm one of the co-founders of Herit360, an all-in-one booking platform that connects locals and visitors to stays, tours, events, transportation, boat rides, all in one platform.
Now, what your platform is so different than the other platform? Why people should use your platform? Like a North American traveler who wants to visit some Ghana, why will he use your platform?
Exactly. So we provide global grade convenience and accessibility, integrated with verified local depth, empowered by event access, tours, stays, all in one workflow. So you don't have to go to one platform to book flights and go to another one for like tour. We have everything in one platform. So if you need event tickets, get event access, we have it. If you need tour, we have it. If you want stays, whether hotels, homestay, we provide all in one platform. And if you need transportation for city tours and for a group tour, we have everything in one platform. So it's like a repository of all the essentials you need to make your discovery and exposure in Ghana very convenient and safety and secure.
All right. So do you guys do plan big events? Talk to me about your action with the big events and big conferences.
Exactly. So Ghana is a place to be when it comes to like tourism, right? So we just launched the platform like this year, and our goal is to plan like maybe international tourism conferences that will bring like travelers and presses from different countries to Ghana to kind of like learn about the tourism in Ghana and Africa as well. You know what I mean? Because just last year, Ghana had 1.1 million visitors, right? Which is very huge. You know what I mean? Because of what we have to offer. Ghana is very safe, secure, and the people are very welcoming, right? So if you come to Ghana, we have everything to offer, you know, from all different kind of tours. So the plan is to organize events to bring people from outside the country to learn about tourism in Ghana.
Now, let me tell you something. We're talking to North American travelers,
Right.
people in America. Why would they go to Ghana? What would you tell them about?
Exactly. So Ghana is the most peaceful country in Africa. I'm biased, but it's facts. You can look at the data. It's very safe. You know what I mean? So people come, even first-time travelers, without even planning, but they go. They are very comfortable walking around because of the safety. You know what I mean? So if you come to Ghana, the warmth, the people, the food, the culture, the security, everything. And right now you have the platform that can coordinate and facilitate everything from you. From your airport pickup, airport drop off, your stays, your event access, your transportation, everything, we can take care of it for you. You know what I mean? So all you need to do is to pack your luggage and come enjoy the peaceful country in the world.
Okay, so tell me, what is your favorite three spots in Ghana that you, if somebody asked you, you'll say you have to visit these three spots?
Exactly. So people usually come to Accra first, right? So in Accra, you can go to Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Kwame Nkrumah is the first president of Ghana. So all the history of him, where everything is in Ghana, so you have a good understanding of who he is.
Yep.
Then you can go to Cape Coast. Cape Coast is known for the castles, right? That's where the slave trade, mostly like conveying people from there to other places happen. So we have the Cape Coast Castle, the Elimina Castle, we have the Fort Amsterdam, and we have the heritage castles and everything over there. And we do have adventures too, like Kakum National Park, which is a canopy walk. So you go to Cape Coast, you're having like the best of both worlds, right? Then I would say personally, go to the Volta in Adan area for the boat rides and the resorts, right? So you can go to Dodi Island, Aqua Safari, Ridgeview to get a boat cruise. Then you can go to Kita for the resort, like camping and all that stuff. So personally, I would say that yeah, Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Then you go to Cape Coast to visit the castles. Then you can go to the Volta and the Adan area for the boat cruise and the resorts.
So you talk to me about the culture, how you guys advise the travelers, tell them, we're going to show you the real culture of Ghana. We're going to you're going to participate in activities that's designed to see the locals and the true Ghanaian identity. Can you tell me about that?
Exactly. So with us, Herit360, you experience Ghana as a local. So there's something called Kente weaving. It's like cloth making, right? You can learn it hands-on. You like maybe the cooking, how to make the spices. You can do that. Maybe like soap making, whatever you want. Everything that you want to experience Ghana as a local, good facilitate. Like even cocoa, right? It's for making chocolate. You can definitely organize a workshop for you to do it from scratch, right? From cocoa to making your own chocolate bar. We do it all in one platform. You know what I mean? So whatever you need to experience Ghana as a local, whether it being like the food, the clothing, the people, like the festivals, So we do everything. So whatever you need to experience Ghana as a local, we will tailor it to your preference. If you want to experience Ghana, the festivals, we can definitely go to a festival, let you experience as local. If you want to learn how we do our cooking, the spices and everything, we can definitely do that. If you learn how to do the kente weaving, we can do that. If you learn how to dance, the drumming and everything, we can definitely help you doing everything.
Wow, wow. Well, good luck and thank you very much for talking to us.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.